Hey guys, good afternoon. So I'm going to start today with a sesame rice noodle bowl. You've seen these kits before. So I have that, and I have some baby bok choy, the last of my seasoned bamboo, some baby corn, bean sprouts, some pickled cabbage, which I haven't tried before, so we'll see if that is good. And then one of the ZRoll farm potato sticks. And that will be lunch. Snack time. I am going to try a new flavor of Noosa. This is their lemon yogurt. And then I just have some raspberries. So I'm going to have that as a little snack. Welcome back for dinner. Okay, so I wasn't sure what I wanted, but I had taken out a piece of pork, and I think I'm going to have that. I found these gorgeous purple potatoes at the farmer's market, so I'm going to have one of those. I have an artichoke. I'm going to do that in the Instant Pot like normal. I'm going to have some Greek yogurt with the potato, some lemon herb butter with the artichoke, and some Simple Truth Organic Worcestershire Sauce with the pork. The pork I'm going to do in the air fryer, 400 degrees for 12 minutes, and then I'll cook the artichoke like normal and just steam up the potatoes. Good evening. All right, let's look at today. So I had the sesame noodle bowl, and that has always been one of my favorites. So that is something I've had everything in that before. Really good. Same with dinner. There wasn't anything new in there. I've had everything there before. I just decided to mash up the purple potato with the Greek yogurt. I did the artichoke in the Instant Pot as per normal. Did the pork in the air fryer. Everything was really straightforward there. And then I had the lemon Noosa yogurt and the raspberries, and I have to say that lemon yogurt is probably one of my favorite lemon yogurts. That was really good. Now, since I did quite a bit yesterday activity wise, I didn't do anything extra today. When I woke up, I thought about driving out to the mall and walking, but I think I'm gonna wait, and I need to I'm trying to learn to have a throttle, because when I feel okay, I tend to want to do everything all at once, and that normally comes back to bite me. So I didn't do anything extra today. Okay, I did go over in a few places, which is kind of weird. I don't normally go over, but I was 87 calories over the new target, and that's fine. I want to try and be within about 100 calories one way or the other, so there's that part. My protein, I was actually under because I didn't have a whole lot of protein with lunch, but I did have a lot of carbohydrates, both the potato, the yogurt, and then of course the noodle bowl, so I was considerably over on my carbs. My fats were fine, and I'll finish out the night at I'm just gonna have a look here because sometimes this doesn't update. Okay, so I'm just over 1,000 steps right now, but like I said, I just spent the day at home doing some work, so I don't have a whole lot going on there. But that's it. That is my Monday, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.